Hi, I'm James from Finding Country and you've joined me here today at the Royal Terrace on Newbold Terrace, Leamington Spa, one of the town's most exclusive developments. This property's got 3 double bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, it's finished to a very high specification and it's even got 3 parking spaces, which is really unusual to find in the town centre, along with beautiful communal gardens. Let's take a look inside. Newbold Terrace is one of Leamington's most desirable streets for the main reason it is adjacent to the beautiful and iconic Jephson Gardens and just across the road the 300-acre Newbold Common Country Park. Join me in the communal gardens of this amazing property. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.